Chapter 4. Decimals. Decimal numbers are everywhere. We have studied about decimals in our earlier classes. The origin of the word decimals is from a Latin word decima. Decima mean 1/10 part. Fractions with denominators as multiple of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimals. A decimal consists of two parts. 1. A whole part. 2. A decimal part. These parts are separated by a decimal point, dot. The number at the left side of decimal point is called whole part and the number at the right side of decimal point is called decimal part. 379. Whole part. 234. Decimal part. Point is a decimal point. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of a decimal by multiples of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000. 1. When we multiply a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place since 10 has only one zero. Example, 23.57 multiply 10 is equal to 235.7. The decimal point has shifted one place to the right. 2. When we multiply a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by two places. Since 100 has two zeros. Example, 25.865 multiply 100 is equal to 2586.5. The decimal point has shifted two places to the right. 3. When we multiply a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by three places since 1000 has three zeros. Example, 5.805 multiply 1000 is equal to 5805. The decimal point has shifted three places to the right. So, we can say that when we multiply a decimal by multiples of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by as many places as there are zeros in the multiplier after 1. Example 1. Multiply the following decimals by 10. A. 0.8. B. 2.95. C. 12.018. Solution. A. 0.8 multiply 10 is equal to A. B. 2.95 multiply 10 is equal to 29.5. C. 12.018 multiply 10 is equal to 120.18. Example 2. Multiply the following by 100. A. 0.8. B. 2.95. C. 12.018. Solution. A. 0.8 multiply 100 is equal to 80. B. 2.95 multiply 100 is equal to 295. C. 12.018 multiply 100 is equal to 1201.8. Example 3. Multiply the following by 1000. A. 0.8. B. 2.95. C. 12.018. Solution. A. 0.8 multiply 1000 is equal to 800. B. 2.95 multiply 1000 is equal to 2950. C. 12.018 multiply 1000 is equal to 12,018. Multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. When we multiply a decimal by a whole number, we follow the following steps. Step 1. We multiply as whole numbers ignoring decimal point. Step 2. The product will have as many decimal places as present in the multiplicand. Count the decimal places from right-hand side of the product. Example, find 12.25 multiply 15. Solution, 1225 multiply 15 upon 6125 plus 1225 upon 18,375. The product of 1225 and 15 is 18375. Since the multiplicand 12.25 has two places of decimal, insert the decimal in product after two places. Count the decimal places from the right-hand side. So, 12.25 multiply 15 is equal to 183.75. Multiplication of decimal by another decimal number. We multiply decimal numbers as whole numbers ignoring decimal points. In such multiplication, the product will have as many decimal places as the sum of decimal places present in the multiplicand and multiplier. Count the decimal places from the right-hand side of the product. Example, find 15.75 multiply 13.25. Solution. Step 1. Multiply 1575 by 1325 ignoring the decimal points. Step 2. The product is 20,86,875. Step 3. Both multiplicand and multiplier has two decimal points each. So the decimal places in the product will be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 decimal places. Step 4. Count 4 places from the right-hand side of the product and insert the decimal after that. So, 15.75 times 13.25 is equal to 208.6875. Division of decimals. Case 1. When the divisor is 10, 100, 1000, etc. Study the following examples. Example 1. Divide 76.67 by 10. Solution. The divisor 10 has one zero after 1. To find the quotient, shift the decimal point by one place to the left. So, 76.67 divided by 10 is equal to 7.667. Shift the decimal point by one place to the left. Similarly, A. 237.75 divided by 10 equals 23.775. B. 0.80 divided by 10 equals 0.08. C. 37.425 divided by 10 equals 3.7425. D. 76.67 divided by 10 equals 7.667. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. Example 1. Divide 625.25 by 25 using direct method. Solution. We divide 625.25 by 25. Thus, 625.25 divided by 25 is equal to 25.01. Division of a decimal by decimal. Example 1. Divide 2.4 divided by 0.6. Solution. Represent 2.4 with blocks. 2.4 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. 2.4 is divided by 0.6 means how many 0.6 are in 2.4? Divide 2.4 into groups of 0.6 each. Replace the ones blocks with tens blocks. 1, 1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Count the number of tens blocks. 24 tens blocks are there. Group the blocks into groups of 0.6 each. 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. There are 4 groups of 0.6. So, 2.4 divided by 0.6 is equal to 4. Conversion of units. We studied about units for measuring weight, volume, length in our earlier classes. 1. Standard unit of length. Meter. 2. Standard unit of capacity volume. Liter. 3. Standard unit of weight. Gram. Kilo means 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Centi means 1 upon 100. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 of a meter or 100. Centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Milli means 1 upon 1000. 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 of a gram or 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 of a liter or 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Kilogram. 1 kilogram is written as kg. Now how to convert one unit into another? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 1 multiplied by 1000. And 1 gram is written as g. Now, how to convert one unit into another? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So the digit multiplied by 1000. And 1000 milligrams is written as mg. And whenever we convert the smaller unit to a bigger unit like we have to convert milligrams to grams, then we will divide. Like 1 divide by 1000. And whenever we convert grams into kilograms, then we will also divide by 1000. Kilometer. 1 kilometer is written as kilometer. Now, how to convert one unit into another? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 multiplied by 1000. Then it become meter. Meter is written as m. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Centimeter is written as cm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter is multiplied by 10. Millimeter is written as mm. To change from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply, and to change from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we divide. Example 1. Convert 100 kilometers into centimeters, cm. Solution. Kilometer is a larger unit, centimeter is a smaller unit. We have to convert large unit to smaller unit, so we multiply. 100 kilometers is equal to 100 multiply 1000 meters equals 1 lakh meters. Since 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, 1 lakh meters is equal to 1 lakh multiply 100 centimeters equals 1 crore centimeters. Since 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Example 2. Convert 100 milliliters into kiloliter. Solution. Milliliter is a smaller unit and kiloliter is a larger unit. So, to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. 100 milliliters is equal to 100 divided by 1000 liters is equal to 0.1 liter. Since 1 ml is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter, 0.1 liter is equal to 0.1 divided by 1000 kiloliters is equal to 0.0001 kiloliter. Since 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kl. Example 3. Convert 300 g to kg. Solution. Gram is a smaller unit and kilogram is a bigger unit. To convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. 300 g is equal to 300 multiply 1 upon 1000 kilograms, since 1 g is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilograms, is equal to 3 upon 10 kilograms, is equal to 0.3 kilograms. Word problem. Example 1. If 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters, then how many inches are in 30 centimeters? Solution. 2.5 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 2.5 inch. 30 centimeters is equal to 30 upon 2.5 inches. 30 upon 2.5 is equal to 30 multiply 10 upon 2.5 multiply 10 is equal to 300 upon 25 is equal to 12 inches.